Hello, this is Ethan Perez Jr., and I'm just making this video to show anyone how to use my new Ruby Gem ROM loader. Now, ROM loader is, as it says here, a gem that allows you to conveniently download video game ROMs from freeroms.com to your home directory. Now, video game ROMs are, of course, images of video game cartridges just made into files and are used and interpreted by video game emulators. So basically, you could have like a digital image of, say, Super Mario Brothers, the original game, and have a Nintendo emulator, and you just can play Mario Brothers on your computer. Now, my program allows you to download direct from freeroms.com from your command line. Now, to install the program from the command line is the easiest way. You would use gem, the Ruby gem program. So that's a gem install ROM loader. Now, I actually won't actually install it because I already have it installed, and I don't want to up my numbers or anything like that. So what it would do is just install any dependencies. You can see here a runtime dependency is Nokogiri, which is a web scraping program because the program needs to contact freeroms.com to get the information about the games, and it uses these other things for development in case you wanted to build upon what I've already done. All right, so that's one way to get it. That's the easiest way. Another way is going to the original repository where it exists. That's at my username. That's Ginstrider2000 at GitHub, and the repository is RomLoader Gem. And from here, of course, you could fork the repository, and you can work on it on your own, or just clone and download it. If you do it that way, what I would suggest to make sure that you get all of the dependencies is to run this when you have it within the actual repository. Uh, Bundle install. Right. Of course, to run that, you'll need the program, the RubyGem bundler. All right. So that's for installation. Now let's actually run this thing. RomLoader has an executable, which if you download it using the first way, the gem install RomLoader, it'll actually install the um, the executable into your path into your path. So it's already there. So let's just say RomLoader. Now it'll come up. Now it's there we go. Thanks for using RomLoader, powered by freeroms.com. Connecting to freeroms.com and retrieving the system index. All right. So now this is what exists on freeroms.com. They have all these games to choose from, and you can choose. So select a system 1 through 28. And contained within these square brackets are alternative things you can exit at this point. So actually, just to compare, I'm going to open up freeroms, the actual website. All right, so this is freeroms.com. Now, what you're doing, what I've essentially done is mirrored this bunch of links over here. Right. Now, let's pick a system. Uh, I really love the old Nintendo, so NES is 16. So there we go. Now, select an index. Super Mario Brothers is always good, so let's go S. All right. Now, Super Mario Brothers Part 1. I guess that's this one. It's 146. It's Super Mario Brothers USA/Japan. or actually the one that I grew up with, which is the one that was coupled with Duck Hunt. So let's do 147. Now select the game. 147. All right. So we got all these details. Uh, Names: Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. The system's the NES. It is only 47 kilobytes and it is a zip file. Do I want to download it? I'll say yes. So um, let's just hit Y. All right. So I downloaded this ROM, and let's go back. It says that I downloaded it to users Efren, that's me, video game ROMs. That's actually a directory the um, that the actual program will make on your computer to download the ROMs if you don't have it. So let's actually check out the download. I had this all set up. So this is an emulator. This is actually a really great emulator called OpenMU. It emulates several different systems. It's a great emulator for the Mac. Now, I already have some games, but here's the game I actually picked: Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. So let's unzip it. Oops, daisy. All right, here it is. So I unzipped it, and let's open it up. Okay, this is the actual game itself. To play the game, I just have to drag it over. In the case of OpenMU, I just have to drag it over to the emulator. And it has this little plus sign. And let's see. Ah, there it is. Let's play it. Oh, the nostalgia. I love it. All right. So, there you go. That's one. So, you can have a ton of fun with these games. I mean, mind you, um, free ROMs, if you just look at this, free ROMs has thousands of ROMs. I mean, for the MAME, or the Multiple Arcade Machine Emulator, they have 6,000 ROMs alone. For the Nintendo 64, they've got nearly 400. For the Nintendo, they've got 1,300 essentially. I mean, this is a great site from which to get video games from, and now is a quick and easy way to actually download them. So I really hope you enjoy the program. I'm going to exit now, and happy gaming.